The Dorbar'S Mawkhar had organized a program to celebrate the state's 50th year on the 21st of January 2022. The chief guest on the occasion was Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya PRESTONE TYNSONG, and those present included members of the Dorbar'S Mawkhar, members of the SENG and SAMLA Mawkhar, besides invitees and others. A felicitation program was also held to honor two prominent sportspersons who are also residents of Mawkhar locality, that include Freddie's Aim for representing the state in Karate Championships and Ainam G. Jirwa for representing Meghalaya in various football tournaments. Speaking on the occasion, PRESTONE TYNSONG expressed his gratitude to God for the beautiful state of Meghalaya and at the same time also expressed his appreciation towards Mawkhar locality, out of whose lap many prominent figures of the state had emerged. TYNSONG appealed to all to carry on the legacy that such leaders and intellectuals have left behind, and also to be determined enough to produce more such people in the future.
Place on record, SHNONG Mawkhar Baparok ini na kani SHNONG kalau kepulang dan ngakemen step pakai Kinang pemi susu ya ki reu krau perkat jabe baka perteri India kan itu om tang ya kebegala le kam tam hai ya SHNONG Mawkhar barokoi kulei